Hi everyone. I'm going to make something super healthy, super scrumptious, and you can buy these jars of Chia strawberry jam for like $12, $13 a jar, or you can make your own. So I have a Vitamix blender, which is a super high powered blender, and I made this once before with blueberries, and then today I'm going to make strawberry Chia jam, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. If you have a high-powered blender, this works in a Ninja. This is roughly 2 cups of fresh strawberries. So I'm going to use this container to put my jam back in. So I'm going to give this a rough chop with the blender. It's going to be loud. Sorry. This blender works super fast. As you can tell, it's already blended those strawberries. This would make a perfect strawberry margarita too if you wanted to add some tequila, some limes, whatever. Into this, I'm going to put, this is the thickener. So instead of pectin, you're going to have chia seeds, which is going to give you, let me read to you. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So it's 5 grams of, 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds has 5 grams of protein. So why don't I do 2.5 into this jam? So it gives it thickness. Actually, I'm going to do 2 because I don't want it too thick. The thickness is going to be from the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. The sweetness is going to come from 4 dates. Yes, dates are natural sugar. They don't spike people, well, they don't spike my blood sugar. I don't know if you're diabetic, what they do to you. I just know that certain sugars are sugars that don't spike my blood sugar. I'm not a diabetic. I'm going to squirt in about a tablespoon of lemon juice, which is, that was 1/4 of a lemon, so I could see that there's still more. There you go. And then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of water. What's going to happen is the blender does the work. That's it. So 4 dates, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 cups of strawberries. Now you have it won't thicken right away. It'll look thin now, but it will thicken. You have a strawberry chia seed jam. You put it in the fridge. I'm taking it out of the cap here. It's hard to do this for you. Oh, is this going to be good? I want to make sure those dates, yep, they're all gone. It looks like it pours right now, but trust me, it turns into a delicious, thick jam in the fridge after a few hours. So, would you make this? This is, let me taste it, delicious strawberry chia seed fresh jam. Can't get much fresher than this. The lemon juice gives it a brightness. I'm going to use this for something that you'll see to follow. I have an idea. You know how I am when I have ideas. Make healthy jams. It's fruit season. Does this help you? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.